Hello students, how are you? Welcome to you all in our English class. Today in English we will read our poem I Wonder. Name of the poem is I Wonder. I means मैं. Wonder means surprise. Start to think. In this poem is about a one boy when he sees the moon in the water. Let's see how he sees the moon in the water. So let's start to read our poem I Wonder. Yes, this is our poem I Wonder. Sometimes I really wonder when I sit near a lake what is in the water. Is it real or fake? It slides, it glides. When I move, it hides. I wonder if it's the moon, as I don't see it at noon. So this is our poem. Now we will explain it. Sometimes means कभी कभी. Sometimes I really wonder कि कभी कभी मैं रियल में कभी कभी तो मैं सच में ही इतना परेशान हो जाता हूँ, सोचने लग जाता हूँ. When I sit near a lake. In this poem you can see the one boy is sitting near a lake and he is thinking that समटाइम्स आई रियली वंडर व्हेन आई सिट नियर अ लेक. कि मैं जब भी लेक के पास बैठता हूँ कभी कभी मैं सोचने लग जाता हूँ व्हाट इज़ इन द वाटर, कि वाटर में ये क्या है. इज़ इट रियल और फेक, कि क्या ये रियल है मीन्स असली है और फेक मीन्स नकली है. नीचे वर्ड मीनिंग आप देखिए. फेक मीन्स नॉट रियल. सो इज़ इट रियल और फेक. इट स्लाइड्स मीन्स हिलना धीरे धीरे, जैसे आपका स्विंग करते हैं, जैसे वाटर स्विंग करता है व्हेन एयर पासिंग थ्रू. इट ग्लाइड्स मीन्स मूव स्मूथली, धीरे धीरे हिलना, उसका चलना. व्हेन आई मूव इट हाइड्स. द बॉय सेइंग दैट इट स्लाइड्स, इट ग्लाइड्स, बट व्हेन आई मूव इट हाइड्स, कि जब मैं यहाँ से चला जाता हूँ ये छिप भी जाता है, मीन्स वो उसको शैडो दिखती है बस. आई वंडर इफ़ इट्स द मून. वो सरप्राइज हो जाता है क्या ये रियल में मून है. एज आई डोंट सी इट एट नून, जबकि मैंने इसे कभी नून में नहीं देखा. सो वंस अगेन वी विल रीड द पोएम. समटाइम्स आई रियली वंडर व्हेन आई सिट नियर अ लेक what is in the water. Is it real or fake? It slides, it glides. When I move, it hides. I wonder if it's the moon, as I don't see it at noon. So students, this poem is about the moon shadow. The boy is seeing in the water and he is surprised. But moon never comes in the noon. It always comes in the night. And here is the shadow of the moon in the water. So word meaning fake means not real. Glide means move smoothly. Noon means afternoon. Okay, so students, read this poem. And now we will do the exercise. First exercise is fill in the blanks. First is the boy is sitting near a desk. So student, look at the picture carefully and find out where the boy is sitting. Here you can see the boy is sitting near a lake. You can also find it from the poem. In the second line is lake. So we will write here lake, L-A-K-E, lake. The boy is sitting near a lake. Second, he is looking at the moon in the dash. So find out students, he is looking means देखना, वो मून को देख रहा है. Find out कहाँ पर देख रहा है. In the water. So we will write here water, W-A-T-E-R. Now we will read the full sentence. He is looking at the moon in the water. Okay, now we will do our third sentence. It is dash time. So students, find out which time is this, day or night. How you will find? You can see the picture. In the picture you can see here is the moon and stars. and moon and stars come in the night. We can see them in the night. So we will write here night. It is night time. Night, night. It is night time. Sentence number 4. The moon and the dash are in the sky. So students, find out what is in the sky. Yes, here are the moon and the stars in the sky. stars, stars. The moon and the stars are in the sky. We have done our exercise A, and now we will do our exercise B on next page. This is our vocabulary. Add one more word from the poem to each set. Here we have given 2 sets and we have to find and write third set from the poem. Same rhyming word. Let's read the first word. Lake, take, and third word we choose from the poem fake. Lake, take, fake. F-A-K-E, fake. Next, number 2. Slides, glides, and hides. And third word is hides. H-I-D-E-S, hides. Next, number 3. Spoon, moon. And third word is noon. Okay. We have to choose these words from the poem. Let's read again. All are the 3 words. First is lake, take, fake. Second, slides, glides, hides. Third is spoon, moon, noon. So students, read the poem I Wonder carefully and learn these 2 exercise A and B. Bye bye students. Thank you.